Hey guys, the Gadget Man here, and today I am going to be showing you this beautiful cast iron wok. Now this item was gifted to me to do this video, so that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to break it out of the box and show it to you, and then we're going to do a stir-fry cooking video. Alright guys, so let's get at it. Alright guys, so we got it out of the box here. Let's get the top out. A little protective bag here. Nice little wooden top. We have a scrubbing brush right here for cleaning the pot. We have a nice little cloth here. And let's see here, we're going to go ahead and get the nice pan out. Come on, get this out. Wow, check that out. All right. Okay. Got the handle over here, and handle simply goes in like that, and we'll just screw it in like this right here. Just screw that handle on right there and tighten that up right there. Okay, nice. Alright guys, so it's a beautiful cast iron wok. I've never actually had a cast iron wok before, so I'm really excited to try this out. In the back of the little booklet that's included with it, it has a step-by-step guide on how to season it. All cast iron needs to be seasoned before you can use it. If you don't season it, it's going to be a nightmare. Once it's seasoned, it's incredible. So we're going to go ahead and get at that, walk you through that step. Then we're going to do a cooking video. So let's get at it. Alright, so we're ready to cook in the pan, but before we actually can cook, we need to season the pan. So we're going to follow the directions included with the pan and take it to the sink, and let's wash it out first because it's fresh from the factory and we want to give it a washing. This, if you do things right, this will be the only washing you'll ever receive. So let's start off on the right foot and get it washed. Okay, so using the included sponge that they provided, let's go ahead and get a little soap here, and we're just going to wash this off with some warm water here and just scrub it down real good. We want to make sure that all impurities and stuff that might have come from the factory are cleaned off, because once we season it, it won't be washed again. So we're just going to wash it off. It looks pretty clean. Just get all factory stuff off of the pan here. Wash it inside, outside. Now we're going to rinse it off real good, get all that soap out of there. Okay, we'll let it drain a little bit, and then we'll go right over to the stove. Okay, we're going to dry it off by heating it up, so we're going to go ahead and turn the flame on. Once the water evaporates, we're going to wipe the inside of the pan out with paper towel and some vegetable oil. Just last little bit right there. Okay. Get a good amount of vegetable oil in here. We want to really wipe this out good. Yes, it's going to be hot, so I'm going to turn the flame down just a smidgen here. Want to make sure that we're not getting any dark stuff, anything that looks like oil or grease or anything. Use a cloth to wipe this oil out. Alright, now we're going to go with some fresh oil in here. We've coated the inside of the pan here with oil, and now we just want to let it soak in. So we've got it to the smoke point right here. You can see there's a little bit of smoke rolling off. Okay, I'm going to lower the heat. I don't want to burn the oil. I just want it to stay right about there for about 5 minutes. I'm right towards the end of my 5 minutes. I'm just going to heat it up real hot just for 1 second, just to kind of get a really good seasoning on it. And then I'm going to turn it off. Now we're going to wait 4 hours for this to cool off. Then we'll wash it, not with soap again, but with warm water, and then we'll be ready to cook. Okay guys, it's the next day, so it's been way over 4 hours, and we're ready to clean this out. We need to get all this old oil out of here. Now, we're not going to use soap. We're just going to use warm water. So we're going to go ahead and get the water hot here. And we're just going to use warm water and going to wipe out the excess oil before we begin cooking. So the seasoning process is done. Now we're just doing the cleanup, And then we're gonna cook up a nice, delicious stir fry. All right, let's get some ingredients and let's start cooking. Now I'm going to add in some Maggi seasoning. This is not soy sauce. It has no soy in it. It's made out of wheat. I love this seasoning here. It's difficult to find, but you can find it. Throw in some black pepper. This is a seasoning that I'm the only one that has. Pay $100 an ounce for. It's custom imported from the Amazon. So it's not available on Amazon.com, but it is from the Amazon. All right, guys, there you go. Look at that. Not sticking anywhere. It cooked real evenly. Really enjoyed using it. Love my new cast iron wok. Gonna be eating a lot of stir fry. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up or the little heart under the video to let me know this video helped you out. Until next time, this is the Gadget Man saying, I'll see you later.